Good morning, welcome to India Pulse News. Here are today's news update on political and sports from across India. Political News. Union Budget 2025 highlights. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Union Budget for 2025, introducing significant measures aimed at stimulating economic growth and providing relief to the middle class. Key announcements include income tax reforms. The income tax exemption limit has been raised from 8 lakh rupees to 12 lakh rupees, aiming to increase disposable income and boost consumption among the middle class. Fiscal deficit target. The government has set a fiscal deficit target of 4.4% of GDP for the fiscal year 2025-26, down from the revised 4.8% for the current year. This move is intended to enhance fiscal discipline and investor confidence. Nuclear energy sector opening. Proposals have been made to amend existing laws to attract private and foreign investments in the nuclear energy sector, with a goal of achieving 100 gigawatts of nuclear power by 2047. Opposition reactions. The budget has elicited mixed responses from political leaders. Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister of Delhi, expressed disappointment over the government's omission of his proposal to waive loans for billionaires, suggesting that the saved funds could support middle class loans and reduce tax rates. CI turn zero surge to 8. Rahul Gandhi, leader of the Indian National Congress, criticized the budget, stating that the government lacks innovative solutions to address the current economic challenges. Sports news. Cricket concussion substitute controversy. In a recent T20I match, England captain Jos Buttler criticized India's use of a concussion substitute, arguing that the replacement was not a like-for-like swap, which he believes goes against the spirit of the game. Virat Kohli's fan encounter. During a Ranji Trophy match at Arun Jaitley Stadium, 3 fans breached security to meet Virat Kohli. Kohli urged security personnel to treat the fans gently, highlighting his immense popularity among cricket enthusiasts. Wriddhiman Saha's retirement. Veteran wicketkeeper batsman Wriddhiman Saha announced his retirement from all formats of cricket. Fellow cricketer Rishabh Pant reacted to the news, acknowledging Saha's contributions to Indian cricket. Football. Ambani family's investment in English cricket. The Ambani family has acquired a 49% stake in the Oval Invincibles, part of the 100 franchise in England, expanding their extensive sports investments. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.